In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the looks and theme of your Yahoo Mail. So by default, this is the looks that we have, white and plain. Now, if you want to change it, you can always come back to the settings over here and you have this theme coloration. You can click and you'll be able to have the theme changed just like so. You can have this one as well. You can change it just at the basic changing level. This is light. If you want to have medium, it's going to be a bit much more in terms of the changing, and you can see it has changed everything. If you want to have everything dark, you can have it dark and you need to change it completely. Now you can change the layout as well, the messaging layout. This is left. You can make it right if you want to. You can see I prefer this one sometimes because once you click, you'll be able to read the messages that you have sent to you and how you can respond directly. So, but you can set it up however you want it. This is right and this is bottom if you want to have it so that you can be able to read from bottom. Once you click, you'll be able to read your messages from bottom, but I prefer this one. And then the inbox spacing, you can vary it from here as well if you're interested. So this is basically how to play around with the theme and coloration in your inbox in Yahoo Mail. I hope if you find this helpful, please leave a like.